Something rotating now. Slightly. Do that. Yeah, good idea. Think about it a second ago. No, that might messing up the threads. There you go. There you go. There it goes. Breathe that carbon. Alright. Leave the studs in the mud. That's good. Okay. That's all it's needed is moving now. I can do it by hand. Yeah. There we go. That's all that matters. Yep. Yeah, because I drive down the driveway, it's gonna clean them up. Alright, that's all I wanted to do is make sure it's free. Because I go down the road, it's gonna clean up. Alright, I'm happy. Get that back on there. No. Like a pain in the butt. Okay. I will cook these at a later date. Cook them right now. That'll mean I can run that wheel through. Now we're getting into the cold season. And I was just informed that my daughter, who doesn't have a car, needs one. So I'm gonna get this thing ready to go. Torque these right around 110 foot. As you can see, it's now spinning okay. I'm not gonna go torquing at the moment, but it's good. Just want to make sure. Yeah, there we go. And we'll lower it down just a little bit. Oh, too much. That's all right. Yeah. Mouthful of carbon monoxide. Good for me, huh? Most tire shops, they better be torquing them, but they're just gonna check to make sure they're at 110, unless they use a bow. Hopefully they're using a torque bow socket on it. If they're using their impact wrenches, because most of their impact wrenches are good for about 600 foot-pounds. Come back and manually torque it. Been meaning to buy a bow torque, but everything I got here is more than 300 foot-pounds. All right, oops, I need to get I'm gonna put that cover back on. Jump too soon. Okay. Take your glasses off now. There we go. Cover back on. As you can hear, I've been running the whole time. She'll run all day long. It won't shut down. But when you shut it down, she ain't gonna start again. And which means I'm gonna go ahead. I was thinking about the coil being bad, but it keeps popping up as the harmonic balancer crank sensor. So I'm gonna go. Guess I'm gonna go with that. I've got to pull that. I gotta pull that strut off of there anyway. So the harmonic balancer is gonna be in front of me anyway. So I'm just gonna go with that, yank that off of there. I think I got I wish there was a way to get to that pickup without having to pull that off of there, but you got such a slight gap right there. I've got a battery here, it's got must have a crack around that pickup there. Take her down the driveway here. Get that crap.